This evening is really special. There's a lot of time and effort that's put into making this a success for you, but also it's a recognition of what you've done over the past year and our belief your continued success over the next year and years to come.
I like to be in touch with people, I like to meet them physically. To be able to do that, not only the nominees in my category, but in every category, that means a lot to me.
Now we have gotten to know each other today, and then we'll do some fun activities tomorrow, eat lunch. I think it will be really fun.
So this is my first international trip. That was a gift, an award in itself. I have so many people to thank.
For me, it was quite a humbling experience sitting here listening to all of you today, talking about what you love about the company, what you're excited about, and I think also learning a little bit about the personal side as well, because in the end of the day, we are just people doing our jobs, working together as colleagues.